Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file taxes for free on TurboTax. So first thing you want to do is open up your favorite browser and simply search for TurboTax free. And once you search for this, click on the first link, then it will take you to this page. So the TurboTax free is offered the basic and simple form 1040 return only, and that's what 37% of filers qualify for. So if you want to import or just file the form 1040 form, you can use the TurboTax free. So to get started, you do not have to do a lot. All you need to do is head to this website, or what you need is your email address and your phone number to get started, and you will have to answer a few questions and you're on your way. If you do not have your form in end, you can import your info from the W-2s or 1099s directly from more than 1 million participating employers and financial institutions. So to get started with a TurboTax free, just scroll all the way down and you're going to click on start for free year, and it's going to take you to the page and you answer this question: how do you do your tax last year? Just fill out this information and you can just choose the option which says ask me later, and you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to sign up. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.